So this week in class on Tuesday, we got to show David our video that we were planning to present to the class on Thursday. So he went over our video and let us know if we needed to make any adjustments or do any last minute touches. So all we ended up having to do was just included a credits page and like an introduction. So that went well. So then on Thursday, we got to see everyone's videos. And I think that this was probably the best video right here. These guys did the whole Bill Nye the Science Guy thing, and it was awesome. And then they had like some crazy accents going on, and it was almost better than the Jamaican accent that I did. So we also got to see everybody's telescopes. So they had like a mustache telescope kind of going there. They did like a Despicable Me looking telescope. I love Despicable Me, by the way. And then we had the Overachiever group. Like, just, I don't know. Like, it was just so big and ginormous. But I guess it should have been that way because they spent like, I don't know, $250. I mean, the other groups, I don't think we were that rich or wanted to put that much money into a telescope. But these guys said they were able to see like Jupiter and 4 of its moons. So I guess they won a prize, whatever prize it was to be won. And this is also how our telescope ended up coming out. I just was able to get a clip from our video. So it was pretty bedazzled and girly because that's what we do. It's all girls, and so we just dialed up our telescope. So now from that, the next thing to do, since we're done with Project Looky Looky, the next thing is we're going to start working on the next project, which is Join the Mod Squad. So our group decided to go with EMP. So that's going to be our next focus. Just finding all the information we can about EMPs. And as you know, anything with like science fiction, when the aliens come, the first thing they do is bring out the EMP and render all human life, incapable of doing anything. So we're definitely going to have some stuff in there of like, how the EMP just kind of breaks down everything. Once they shoot the EMP, there is no more like phones or telephones, computers, everything goes down. So we're going to definitely get into that. And then we're going to go on another road trip. Our first road trip was down to U of A. So the next one is going to be going to the Palo Verde nuclear station. So we're going to get that set up so we can go there. Because, it's illegal to make EMP, so we can't really get anything on that. And so we're going to go to the nuclear station just to kind of see how they are using that type of nuclear stuff there as far as making electricity and also the type of elements that they're using there. So we're going to get to do that. So this week was not as long, probably about, 10 hours maybe on physics because it's a lot of out-of-class work. So just kind of getting our topic together, doing some research on that, and also just getting prepared for the next big thing, which is going to be EMP and the Palo Verde plant. So that's it for this week, and that's pretty much week 10 in a nutshell. I mean, we had a lot of fun doing our telescopes. It was a lot of work, really time consuming, but we got that done, and it was good. And also, I answered some of the topics that we have to do in the modules. So just waiting for Superman. I posted on that. I mean, it's just sad. I mean, they can look and see what I had to say about it, but I mean, it's something that's happened. It's going to continue to happen, and you can read my post to find out what I had to say about it. So that's pretty much the end for me for week 10.